You want her to spell camera? Sissy, can you make the word camera?
That's camera. That spells camera. 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 Spells camera. No one spells camera. Spells cage. Spells cage. Spells cage. This spells big pretzel cage. Mom, I wish we could go to Sam's to get a big pretzel. This spells big pretzel.
That would be fun, wouldn't it? We will.
And we can ride on slide.
Where?
At Sam's.
They don't have slides at Sam's.
They do. But I want to get a big pretzel there.
Yeah, that would be fun.
And there's a big pretzel. What's white? And white. Like a different Santa.
Yeah, we can't ride on the slides. It's just for looks.
Oh. CJ.
Someday maybe we can.
CJ. Bell CJ.
Do you know how to spell CJ, Brady?
Yeah.
How?
That doesn't spell G. It spells E-S. Mama. Mama. Where's O? Where's the big O? Where's the big O?
Big O? There's an O right there. There's an O right here.
Oh. Spell CJ.
No, that spells OJ.
Spell CJ.
You need a C to spell CJ. Right here. Right here, baby. Right here. C. And then a J. That spells CJ. That's your friend CJ. Who's all your friends' names, Brady?
CJ.
And then who else?
Josh.
What else?
Monkey.
Who?
Monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah. Lion.
Ryan. Who else?
Sam.
Sam. What girls are in your class? Camera. What girls are in your class, Brady?
Spell CJ.
Yeah, you did spell CJ.
Spell CJ.
Brady. Who's the girls in your class?
CJ.
No.
Spell CJ.
Brady, who's a girl that you in your class? Do you know? What's the girls' names? Who are your friends that are girls in your class?
CJ. Spell CJ. You're get out of my spot.
Hey, you guys can share. Juliana.